Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade volatility 75 index on the step index on the smaller time frames. But before we go to the smaller time frames, we are going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, we'll be starting with V75 on the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, what I can see is the fact that V75 is currently ranging. Okay, my range high is around here. Okay, that's a 457626 area, and the range low is at the 257, 252,745 area. Okay, so price can range back up to this top and can range down towards this top. So but for now we have a much more narrower range in place, that is the 408194 area, and that's the top of the narrow range, and the bottom is at the 317804 area. So we expect price to continue to range for some time. That's on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, price also ranging. Okay, we can see that we have a high, a low, lower high, lower low, higher high. Now price rotating downwards again. But there's something that is currently happening, which shows that price is moving downwards towards the low area of the range, and a likely target as price moves on the daily time frame is 340320 level. Price might likely slide to that level. Okay, but for now we have the descending line. This is a descending line. Okay, price is currently respecting this line as it drops, and we have the daily order block. This particular order block on the daily time frame, this order block might serve as support to price as price slides downward. I'm talking about this particular order block on the daily time frame. Okay, now on the 4-hour time frame, price is currently bearish. Price of V75 is bearish. We have a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price about breaking this structure, and we expect price to go down some more. That's for V75 on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, it's currently in the range. All right, this the range top is around the daily pivot. The daily pivot is at the 366230 level. Okay, so we might, it's quite tricky. We might see it's a tricky it's a very tricky situation. We might see price go up to the pivot before dropping. And as much as the pivot, daily pivot is a confluence with the descending trend line, we might see price, oscillate towards the pivot before dropping. But for now, the low range low on the 1-hour time frame is at 354880 level, while the range high on the 1-hour time frame is at the around the daily pivot level, which is at the 366219 or 366230 level. So we expect V75 to range for some time on the 1-hour time frame before dropping. But on the same 1-hour time frame, we have this particular order block. This particular order block on the 1-hour time frame might serve as supply to price. So if price is going to rise, might get to this point and continue to range downwards. All right, so on the 30 minutes time frame for V75, what do we have? We can see that price is also ranging. All right, we have these shadows, these two shadows. Okay, I show that the buyers are trying to step in, and we might kind of see a push to the 362,656 level before price drops. Okay, because that's where we have this order block on the 30 minutes time frame. We also have the same order block on the 1 hour time frame. So order block and order block might form a formidable resistance level for price. That means price might not be able to go above this level. All right, so we might see price retrace this level before dropping for the overall trend, which is bearish, to continue. On the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that price is ranging. Price is also ranging, but also bearish. But in as much as it is bearish, we can see that the buyers are trying to step in. Look at this tweezer. It's like a tweezer candlestick pattern where the sellers took price down and the buyers surprised the sellers with an equal reversal candlestick, bullish candlestick. And the bulls are trying to step in, but we have some other blocks lined up before the other block at the top. Okay, we have this other block might serve as resistance to price. Price could get to this level. I'm talking about the 3589 level, 358900 level before price drops. Okay, but for now the overall trend is bearish, so do not be deceived by the passive retracement that is ongoing. On the 5 minutes time frame, the 75 is bearish, but we have a range. Now the range top is at 357795 level, and the range bottom is at 354933 level. Okay, so a breakout of this range might tell us where price might go for now, and it's likely price might break to the top first, break to this top first, and then possibly start to go down after collecting more buyers orders, might trap the buyers and start to go down. Okay, so you might watch out for further bearish move of price. All right, that's for V75. Let's take a look at step index on the weekly time frame. Step index is showing that the weekly time frame is showing that price is ranging, but we likely have a swing low around here, indicating that price might likely go up. But if price is going to go up, we have this other block on the weekly time frame for step index. This other block might serve as resistance to price for the range to for price to go up to this level and possibly drop. All right, but for this particular weekly candlestick is bullish. After we have something like this pin bar, this shooting star or sort of pin bar here, that gives the buyer some level of impetus to push price up. On the daily time frame for step index, you can see that price has gotten to this resistance area, and we are having something like a tweezer top. It indicated that price might slide a bit before continuing up, or price could give us something like inverted head and shoulder. Okay, we might have a similar pattern that we have on the left side of the chart. We might have it play out before price give us inverted head and shoulder and price starts to go up. It's just a likely forecast. It might happen, it might not happen, but we have this order block on the weekly time frame. Okay, but before this order block on the weekly time frame, we could we might see price get to this other price already at this other block. It has tested this other block and is already sliding. So we might see price break this other block and then get to this particular other block. But if price is going to drop, let's see what we have down below. Okay, we have this other block. I serve as support price. So that's that for the daily time frame for stepping that for the 4-hour time frame. You can see that the bears have stepped in as the bears starts to push price downward. Okay, but this only demand area that we have, this other block on the 4-hour time frame, might likely serve as support to price before price gets to the other block on the daily time frame. This other block on the daily time frame. Okay, but for now, this is more like a retracement, and price has retraced up to 23.6% Fibonacci level. So if price is able to pick up pace at this level, then we might have a strong bullish trend in place. Even if price drops to the 38.2% Fibonacci level, if price is able to drop to this level and pick up pace to continue upward, the trend might still be strongly bullish. But if price is able to retrace to the 50% Fibonacci level, we might see this as a weak trend, and we might possibly have a double top for price to start to drop. Or if price if the bears take it further to the 61.8% Fibonacci level, it might end up as a much weaker trend for bearish trend to continue. That's that for the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? You can see that the price of step index is gradually sliding. We have a high, we have a low, lower high, lower low, where we have this change of character for us to have more like head and shoulder pattern. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we're currently seeing what looks like a lower low in place. So we might continue to see price slide downwards. But how far can price go? Let's see if we have any other block close by. We have this other block on. We have this particular other block on the 1-hour time frame. That might be a possible target by the bears. Okay, the bears might target this other block at the 8620 level before the bulls might jump in and start to push price up. But for now, price of step index is currently sliding. On the 30-minute time frame is also sliding. We have a bearish trend in place. In fact, we have a channel, a bearish channel that is being respected, and we expect price to continue to slide downwards. Okay, if price is going to slide downward, do we have any other block, any significant other block close by? This other block is close by. It might serve as demand level for price. I'm talking about the other block at the 8635 level. Might serve as demand to price, but price currently at this present order block, which is at the 8647 level. On the 50-minute time frame, step index is currently sliding, so it's advisable to look for selling opportunities. Price is moving in a downward channel. Okay, look for selling opportunities, but we won't be surprised if the buyers are able to break above this trend line at this current order block. In as much as we have a break of structure or a change of character, we might expect price to break out, retest, and start to go up. We won't be surprised, but for now it looks as if the trend is getting weaker. Okay, as the buyers try to break above the descending trend line. All right, but if the buyers are able to successfully break the trend line, we have some other blocks that might serve as supply to price. Okay, we have this other block and serve as supply to price. This particular other block might serve as supply to price. We have this one around here, might also serve as supply to price. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, price is currently ranging. All right, we have a low, high, lower low, lower high. Now this lower low is not really deep, and this lower high is significant. So if the buyers are able to push price above this lower high, I was looking at sort of like a change of character for price to go up. But if the sellers are able to break below this structure, this particular structure, if sellers are able to break below the 8645 level, that means the current trend will still continue. All right, on the 1 minute time frame, step index price is currently ranging, but the overall trend for now is bearish, so you might want to look for selling opportunities. Bearish on the smaller time frame and bullish on the higher time frame. So that's that for today's video. If you like what you just saw, push the like button, click the like button, smash the like button. If you are here to join this channel, why don't you click on the subscribe button so that you get to see more of our videos. If you want to get notified whenever we release any video, click this bell button below the video for notification. You can drop comment below the video, ask questions, which are as much as possible to respond to your question. You can also share the video to your friends and loved ones. You can also go to our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility index. You can go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.